Dear students, this is the e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work, first semester of Mangalore University. The subject is Basic Sociological Concepts and the session number is 13. The topic for this session is Importance of Groups. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous class, students understood the classification of groups. The learning objective for this session is to understand the importance of groups. The expected session outcome is that the students should understand the importance of groups. The importance of groups may be understood under the following heads: importance of primary groups, importance of secondary groups. The importance of primary groups may be first of all studied under the importance of primary group for the individual. So the first one is that it promotes spontaneous living. Individual lives a spontaneous living in a primary group. Spontaneity is more directly and clearly revealed in a primary group, and because of this spontaneous living, members of a primary group come freely together in an informal manner. These informal groups satisfy the need for spontaneous living. The second importance is the provision of stimulus. Primary group provide a stimulus to each of its members in the pursuit of interest. The presence of others, that is near and dear ones, in a group acts as a stimulus to each. Here members get help, cooperation and inspiration from others. The interest is keenly appreciated and more ardently followed when it is shared by all the members. It is effectively pursued together. The third is united in process. The primary group is a cohesive group. A unity can be observed in the primary group. This helps in meeting the physical and psychological needs of the group members. Fourth, it is a great humanizing agent. Primary group introduces individuals to society. It teaches them how to lead a successful life in a society. It is the breeding ground of his mores and nurses his loyalties. The primary group, as opined by Kingsley Davis, is in the form of family, initiates us into the secrets of society. It helps the individual to internalize social norms and learn culture. The next is development of personality. Primary group shapes personality of individuals. It plays a very important role in molding, shaping and developing the personality of an individual. Because individuals first come in contact with the primary group, the individual is socialized in a primary group. It forms the social nature, ideas and ideals of individuals. His self develops in primary groups. A child learns social norms, standards, beliefs, morals, values, cooperation, sympathy and culture from a primary group. The next is satisfaction of psychological needs. Primary groups fulfill different psychological needs of an individual, such as love, affection, fellow feeling, cooperation, companionship and exchange of thought. In primary group, he lives among his near and dear ones. It plays an important role in the reduction of emotional stresses and mental tensions. Participation with primary groups provides a sense of belongingness to individuals. He considers himself as an important member of the group. Now let us have a look at how the primary groups are important for the society. The first and foremost strengthens the democratic spirit. Primary group develops democratic spirit within itself. It develops the quality of love, affection, sympathy, cooperation, mutual help and sacrifice, tolerance and equality among its members. Second, it acts as an agent of social control. It exercises control over the behavior of its members and regulates their relations in an informal way. Hence, there is no chance of individual members going astray. It teaches individuals to work according to the prescribed rules and regulations. Third, it establishes authority. In a group, some authority, like a patriarch in the family, may pronounce a decision and the members are asked to abide by it. In such a case, there is little group participation. The members merely assent to the decision coming from the dominant authority. Next is compromise. Sometimes the agreement in a group may be reached through compromise. The contending members agree to yield some of their claims or waive their opinions in order to reach an unanimous decision. The process here is that of bargaining, of give and take. The next is enumeration. Decisions may be taken in a group through the mode of voting. The members vote on a particular issue and the majority decision carries the day. This is determination by majority. The next is integration. The above methods of group decision do not produce a complete harmony within the group. The first method seeks to impose a decision upon the members. The second produces a formal unanimous decision through compromise. Under the third method, decision is reached by the majority, leaving the differences of members in stark opposition. So none of these methods reveals the group as a unity with one mind and will. To get a unity in the group, the differences of members are neither to be suppressed nor compromised but synthesized and harmonized. An attempt should be made whereby the different viewpoints of the group members are harmonized in a kind of composite idea, as though the minds of several members become one mind with one idea. So integration of different opinions into a composite idea through the free admission of difference should be regarded as an ideal. Though this ideal may be difficult to attain, yet its acceptance would create a new harmony of society and a new joy of living together. This is how the primary groups are very important for the society as well. And now let us have a look at how these secondary groups are important. First, it improves efficiency. A secondary group increases efficiency of its members. To fulfill their self-interest and specific goals, all the members work efficiently. A clear-cut division of labor is found among the members. A formal authority is set up and a set of rules are formulated to manage and regulate the secondary group efficiently. Emphasis is given on getting the work done efficiently. Unlike primary groups, emotions and sentiment is subordinated to achievement. For his duties and responsibilities of the members are clearly defined. All the members try to work efficiently to fulfill their goals. This helps in increasing the efficiency of its members. Second, it also caters to the needs of the modern society, and further it creates channels of opportunities to develop the faculties and express the talents of the members of the groups. The secondary groups provide better and wider opportunities for the members to develop their faculties and talents. Previously, there were only few pursuits like agriculture and small trades, but at present there are many and varied occupations which open the way for new careers. As a result, due to talent, hard work, individuals can rise to unbelievable heights. Fourth, it broadens the outlook of its members. The secondary groups help in broadening the outlook of the members because it is large in size and its members are widespread. As a secondary group accommodate a large number and variety of individuals and localities, this widens the outlook of its members. Besides, the secondary group is more universal in its judgment than the primary group. Next, they are an integral part of all the fields of the lives of the group members, whether it is political, economic, commercial, industrial, religious, educational, cultural, etc. Also, the ideas and ideologies of the people are shaped by the secondary groups. Let us have a look at the session summary. The groups hold a lot of importance for the individual and the society, as has been evident from the previous slides. Let us have a look at the multiple choice questions. The primary group is important because it helps in A. Spontaneous living, B. Provision of stimulus, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. 2. The primary group is important because it helps as a great humanizing agent for development of personality. C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. 3. The primary group is important because it satisfies psychological needs. B. It is united in process. C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Both A and B. 4. The secondary group is important because it improves efficiency. B. It caters to the needs of the modern society. C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. The fifth MCQ says the secondary group is important because it broadens the outlook of its members. B. It creates channels of opportunities to develop the faculties and express the talents of the members of the groups. C, both A and B. D, none of the above. And the right answer is C, both A and B. So these were the multiple choice questions, and these are the references, the books which have been referred to for the preparation of this material, and the same may be referred to for further information and a better understanding of this topic. Thank you.